so I thought of another video idea. So for the longest, I've been trying to grow out my nails, and nothing seems to be working. Like the acrylics, they will grow, but then the acrylics will come off and they'd be broken. They'd be broken when they come off and back to short. So I stopped doing that. Then I tried to do the dip powder. I did that, and like the inside cracked. I don't know if that's just me, but the inside cracked. And then I had a horrible experience getting them off. Like my whole nail was gone trying to get them off. So I'm not gonna be doing that again. And so I've been hearing about taking vitamins for hair, skin, and nails. So I went to Walmart and I picked up these hair, skin, and nails vitamins that are Nature's Bounty gummies with biotin. So it's recommended that you take 2 of these a day. There's 90 in a bottle. So it's like 45 days of vitamins, unless you drop one like me, then you gotta take 3 one of those days, so you don't have a odd number. But anyway, so this is my review. I'm gonna do a little review over the gummies because I just now have the idea to make a video about it since everybody's doing it. So for my nails, which was my main focus, I was looking for growth and stuff, but I also took the vitamins while I had acrylic nails on, and then a little bit of that was the powder dip nail. And I did see my nails growing, but it's like I seen them growing anyway when I had acrylics on and then the dip, so I'm not sure if that really worked or not. But I don't know, like it could have worked. I mean, I did take off a nail and they were a little stronger. So maybe it did work. My nails just broke off because I had the acrylics on. Because they always break when I have the acrylics. And I take them off. For my skin, I didn't really see like a big dramatic change. If anything, I would get like pimples here, or I had one here or there. But I have this little face wash that I've been using since 10th grade. And I just got a little toothpaste. And then wash my face at night with this. And it's pretty much gone in the morning, so I didn't really worry about that. And then for my hair, I have this little t-shirt. It's a little dirty. I'm not sure if the camera will catch it, but it's a little dirty, so sorry. It's a little old. It has a few holes, but it does the trick. So with this t-shirt, I just mark where my hair grows. I just mark where my hair growth is. I mark my hair growth on this t-shirt. So the first marking is January, I know. January of 2019. And this is also when I started doing like rice water. So this is really why I have this t-shirt. But so in January 10th, my hair was here. And that's like a little bit above collarbone. And then, I don't know when this line is, but this is probably collarbone. So this is collarbone right here. And then December is when I was taking the Nature's Bounty of vitamins. So, in December, the line was here. Like this is where my hair stopped. It was like maybe an inch below the collarbone. Then in January, that's when I had my hair styled in those faux locks, or how do you say that? And then when I took them out, I measured my hair and it was still here. Like the front was still here. From back here, I would pull it. My hair is a little crunchy. But I pull it and dang, it's here. And it didn't really, like I didn't see a growth. I didn't see much of a change. But then on the back, I have this marking here. And this is probably equivalent to like collarbone, like if my collarbone was on my back. But yeah, so anyway, I'll insert a little picture right here somewhere, and it'll show like my hair was almost at my brow strap. So I'm just like, how did the front stay the same but then the back, you know, is almost on my brow strap. Maybe I stretched it weird, maybe I didn't comb it out that day, but I don't know. So I guess the back grew, the front didn't. Also, like with hair, like you'll probably heard on the other videos, since it's it promotes hair growth, I did have like armpit hair, and like usually, obviously armpit hair grows, but I would like look and I'm like, hold on, I just shaved my armpits, or like the hair on my legs, it would be like so thick, and I'm just like, oh. So I turned into a man. Like my mustache, I have to get this lined up now. I don't like the extra body hair everywhere. That means I just have to shave more and do more. And I just wanted my nails to grow. But anyway, so yeah. I was gonna go back when I finished this bottle to get another one, but I had a coworker and she was like, "Oh, you trying to grow out your nails?" And I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "Take prenatal. Prenatals work. They grow out your nails long." So I was like, "Okay." So I went and I got these prenatal vitamins, and so far I've taken maybe half the bottle. They're like coated with sugar or whatever, so they don't even taste bad. And they're like different flavor, they're berry flavored. So, and there's also 90 in this bottle. I take 2 a day as well. So I'm gonna be tracking my growth with that, and I'll do another review on those. Hopefully it doesn't make me break out. But right now, this is what my nails look like. They're just like a normal size. They haven't really grown past. Ooh, my nails need some work. But anyway, yeah, my nails right now, they're about normal size. They haven't really come past my skin. And we're gonna see if this makes my nails grow, because that's all I want. That's all I really wanted. So maybe it did help my hair grow a little bit, but I didn't record it right. I don't know. Maybe I stretched it weird. I don't know. My nails, I didn't see any growth, but they also broke. My skin broke out, so I probably won't get this again. So I hope you enjoyed my video about the Nutrient Brownies Hair Skinny Nail Gummies. If this helped you out, that's great. If not, I'm so sorry. Next video.